Assalamu alaikum, my dear Falconians of class 3. I am your science teacher, Miss Maharihan, and today in this video I am going to continue the lesson number 17 using electricity. As you already know that we have covered 3 topics from this lesson. The first one topic is how is electricity produced is done. The second one, electricity cannot flow through all things, is also done. And the third topic is electric circuit and electric current, which we have completed in the last video. Now in this video I am going to continue the lesson number 17 using electricity. Open your science book, page number 135. The first topic is switch. What is a switch, or what is the definition of a switch? A switch is like a bridge or a gap. The switch serves the purpose of controlling the flow of electrical current within a circuit, whether the current will flow or whether the current will not flow. It depends upon the opening and closing of the switch. How? What is the working of the switch? So the next slide is on the working of the switch. There are 2 parts of the working of switch. The first one, when the bulb will not light up, and the second part is when the bulb will light up. What happens? For example, when the switch is up means when the switch is open, there is a gap and the electricity cannot flow through the gap, so the bulb will ultimately not light up. But on the other hand, when the switch is down, for example, when the switch is closed, the gap is closed and the electricity flows round the circuit to the bulb, and now the bulb will light up. So these are 2 parts of the working of the switch. The first one when the bulb is not lighting up, and the second one when the bulb lights up. Now I am going to show you the diagram. This is a circuit diagram with open and closed switch. As you can see, on the left hand side there is an open switch, and on the right hand side there is a closed switch. In an open switch the bulb is not lighting up, but on the other hand in a closed switch the bulb is lighting up. Remember that the open switch is represented by a bracket only, and the closed switch is represented by a dot in a bracket. Now this is all for switch. Now moving on towards the second short topic, which is saving electricity. How you are able to save the electricity, or what are some ways to save electricity. As you already know that we should save electricity because saving the electricity is very important. So there are many purposes, many ways to save electricity. I am pointing out the 3 only. The first one is turn off lights and fans when no one is in the room. Remember that if no one is sitting in the room or if no one is present in the room, turn off the lights and fans. The second point, turn off electrical appliances when you are not using them. For example, if you are not using a microwave, oven or an iron, remember to turn off those electrical appliances. The third and the last point is close doors and windows if an air conditioner is on. If an AC is on, remember to close the doors and windows. Now, this is all the explanation for today. Now what is your home assignment, class 3? The first question, open your science copies and write down the first question with blue color. How does a switch work? You have to write down both the point views. The first one when the circuit is on, and the second one when the circuit is off. The second question is draw a diagram when the first part switch is on and the second part switch is off. Open your science book, page number 135. The switch diagram is drawn on page number 135. In front of the heading of switch there are 2 diagrams. The above one is of switches on and the below one is of switches off. You have to draw both diagrams in your science copies, a neat and clean diagram. And the third question is enlist any 3 ways for saving electricity. You have to write down 3 ways point wise by which you can save the electricity. Complete these given questions in your science copies. Inshallah, I will be meeting with you in the next video with the further on topics. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day, class 3.